scientists estimate that about 80% of an individual's height is determined by genetic but also environmental factors such as nutrition as essential to increase your height naturally. Especially children and teenagers should eat nutritious food during their growing years and growing spurt to prevent stunted growth. You can't grow taller once you reach your maximum height. However, certain foods can help adults to maintain their height by strengthening their bones and joints. To promote your height growth, you need to include plenty of both macronutrients and micronutrients to your diet. Macronutrients are fats, carbs, and proteins that provide energy for your body. Micronutrients are important vitamins and minerals that you require in smaller doses. Here are 6 foods that are essential for your height, bone density, and overall bone health. Number 1. Milk and dairy products. Cheese, yogurt. Milk contains almost every single nutrition that your body needs. Cow milk is a rich source of protein, providing about 7.7 grams per scoop. Proteins are our bodybuilding block. Greek yogurt contains 12 to 18 grams per 5-hour OG protein, and half cup of cottage cheese contains 4 grams protein. Cow milk and dairy products are also rich in calcium and vitamin D, and adequate calcium intake is necessary for bone growth and skeletal development. Vitamin D is important for the absorption of calcium and the functioning of calcium in the body. Insufficient calcium intake through childhood or adolescence can lead to growth retardation and suboptimal bone mass. Number 2. Eggs are a good source of nutrition for growth and cell development. They contain a wide variety of nutrients, including vitamins, phosphorus, and protein. An average-sized eggs contain 6 or 7 grams of protein. Eggs have gotten a bad reputation because the egg yolks are high in cholesterol, but studies have shown that egg consumption has no or little effect on total or bad LDL cholesterol levels. Eating up to 3 whole eggs is regarded as safe for healthy people. Number 3. Whole grains. Whole grains are rich in B vitamins, magnesium, calcium, selenium, zinc, and iron, and contain small amounts of calcium. Especially B vitamins help to form bones and grow cells. Zinc and iron fundamental for our body, from the optimal bone matrix or structure for bone strength. Studies suggested that magnesium may improve bone density, and not getting enough may interfere with your ability to process calcium. Number 4. Beans. Beans and other legumes are low in fat and rich in protein, calcium, magnesium, and fiber. Most beans contain at least 20 grams of protein per 100 grams. Beans are also full of antioxidants, which are fighting the effects of cell-damaging free radicals. Beans contain phytates that interfere with your body's ability to absorb the calcium that is contained in beans. However, the phytate level can be reduced by soaking beans in water for several hours before cooking them. Number 5. Fish. Fish is especially valuable for a beneficial height development because it's loaded with omega-3 fatty acid. 100 grams of salmon contains 2.3 grams of omega-3, as well as iron, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and important vitamins. Also, sardine, tuna, or crab are favorable for a healthy height development. 100 grams of sardines contain. Number 6. Fruits are loaded with a range of powerful vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are important for healthy growth development. Dried fruits such as raisins, brownies, figs, and dried apricot are a good source of calcium, especially for vegans. Orange, lemons, pineapples, papayas, or grapefruits are rich in vitamin C. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are relevant to prevent occurrence of osteopenia due to their content in phytochemicals and vitamins. Those micronutrients are responsible for antioxidant and anti-inflammatory function.